Hey there, it's Kevin, and I wanted to give you a quick video review of these Brita Standard replacement filters for your water. Now, I didn't have any clean water when I moved into this apartment. It was all just tap water, so I knew I needed to pick up a Brita pitcher, and I picked up some of these filters to help replace them every 2 months. So these filters are great. You take one and you rinse it in cool water for about 15 seconds or so. And then the first 3 pitchers that you create with this filter will probably have some carbon dust in it too. So you just have to toss that water or feed it to plants or do whatever you want with it. And I'm gonna place some more water in it just so we can see how it transfers the water from the top down into the drinkable water. Now, as you can see, the water is dripping down into the drinkable portion of the pitcher. So once you place it in a Brita water pitcher, you then pour it into a glass and you have some clean water. But this is great because you get 3 separate filters within each one, so it's about 6 months of clean water that you will have. But each one of these replaces 900 bottles each filter, and it also reduces the chlorine and improves the taste of the water that you have. So I hope you enjoyed the review, and I'll see you next time.